Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Paracord Stuff. Today's project one I call the Flaming Cobra. It's basically a Cobra weave, but a modification of. Core is 2-strand core, and it calls for 1 strand, 14 inches, or 35.56 centimeters. Melt it together to form a loop. Down, and this goes through, and down, and over. Now this is a Velcro connector. Colors we're going to be using is blue, orange, red, and yellow, all 30 inches long or 76.2 centimeters. To make this one, the Flaming Cobra, this is the colors, this is the combination. The black can be substituted, the blue can be substituted for black, but I use blue on it because I think it pops better. And you want to attach the blue to the orange, which is melded, connected together, and the yellow and the red connected together, which set it off. All 4 of these are 30 inches or 76.2 centimeters, which gives you 4 working ends. Okay, now let's get on with the project. Oh, forgot this. Other things you're going to use or need. You need a lighter, a pair of scissors, or some other sharp object, but I recommend scissors. A presser, which, like I said, I call this a presser. I don't know what the real name is, but I call it a presser. Yeah, better to use. Okay, well, let's get on to making it. Okay. Alrighty. Now these will stay. Orange and yellow will be on the bottom. Underneath. As you tighten it. Okay. Orange. Through, bottom, and down, and tighten. The blue, up through, down through the loop, and tighten. Okay. Do this like regular Cobra. Somewhat. Orange goes over. Blue goes orange around up to the bottom to the loop. Take the yellow, goes underneath, up through, on the left side, down out of the way. The red from the left side goes across and down through the loop on the right side. And tighten it. And do it again. Orange, blue over the orange, underneath everything, up to the bottom, to the loop. Yellow, underneath, and up on the right side, this time. Red goes across on the right side, down to the loop here, on the left side, this time. Tighten. Again, orange goes over, blue goes over the red, up under and through. Yellow underneath and up on the left side. Red from the left side goes across, down to the loop on the right side. Then we tighten. Okay, orange over on top, blue over, under, up to the loop on the left side, yellow in the back, under, and up to the loop in the right side, the red from the right side, crossed over, down to the loop on the left side. Then we tighten. And the orange again, blue over under everything, up to the loop, yellow going down, around, under, and up to the loop on the left side. On the right side, left side, red, cross over, down to the loop on the right side. And we tighten. Cinch up, tighten. There, you should have the weave down.